Electric vehicle charging has taken the world by storm. It's no surprise, with the rapid growth of the EV industry and several new models hitting the market, more people are tuning their attention to a great need: installing an EV charger at home. In this video, I will tell you 4 complete reasons why this is a brilliant move for EV owners. The first reason is reliability. Imagine never having to scramble for a public charging station again. When you install an EV charger at home, you get the convenience and reliable charging right at your fingertips. No more waiting lines, no more uncertainty. The second reason for installing an EV charger at home is the cost saving. Here's the score of rate. By charging at home, you will pay a predictable electricity rate through your home utility bill. No surprise supercharge. Plus, if you are charging your EV overnight during off-peak hours, you will save even more on electricity costs. And why not harness the sun power? Solar panels can cut down those costs even further. The third reason is a safety. When you charge your electric vehicle at home, you are in your comfort zone, not worried about the thief, vandalism, or the cloud ticking at the public station. It's not just about the convenience, it's about keeping your EV and your peace of mind safe. The last reason may sound weird to you, but it makes sense, is the property value. Picture this. You are selling your home and potential buyer spot a shiny EV charging station in your garage. Then your property value just got buzzed. Buyer won't need to extra to install a charger, and studies show this could add around $50,000 to your home's price tag. Now let's talk about the cost. Installing an EV charger at home varies depending on the power grids and charge types. For sample installings, the cost may hover around $600, but if your setup requires more tweaks of your power grids, you are looking at around $2,000 and $4,000. Don't forget the charger himself. Price ranges based on the charging speed, feature, and more. You could find options from 100 watts to 50,000. It's here the device factor. When you weigh the cost against the saving, both of the turn or fuel and maintenance for traditional vehicles. Installing an EV charger at home is a long-term investment that pays off. If you are ready to step into the world and hassle-free EV charging at home, our expert team is here to guide you through the process. Ready to take the next step? Click on the link below to get the touch with us. Let's power journey into the future of electric vehicles.